Hello, good morning. I feel like you guys have not seen me in a hot minute, and that's because I've just had a lot going on. But today I am going to Ulta to get my hair recolored. I don't know if you could tell, but this has to go. It just has to go. Long story short, I dyed my hair last year like a ginger type of color, and it has been hell in a handbasket to transition it back to that black color. So I'm on my way to Ulta. Shauna is gonna hook me up, and I figured that I'd take you guys with me, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So this is essentially how it looks, and then the rest of my hair is black. So I only dyed the front portion of my hair. Thank Jesus, I couldn't imagine if I dyed like the back portion as well. So that's that. This is the intro, and I'll see you guys when I get to Ulta. Bye. It's been fine. I was talking to my mom this morning, and I was telling her that I have to go back, and I like wasn't thinking that I'd have to come back to you since I already like got it done. And she was like, but you did it in January. So she was like, if it's fading, it's only been like 7 months. So she was like, it's probably time for a new like touch up.
It's supposed to be like quarterly.
Really?
Yeah, that's why you're really brown.
I'm not feeling this brown.
When you're when you have one permanent before, you know how you have to lighten your hair before, and then go jet black. The black fades, so it washes out. So normally, like every quarter, like you're gonna see it start to.
It starts to get light.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna shampoo you first, get whatever buildup off, clarify it, and then fill it with the color. Okay. Alright, come on.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, the quality is really good on this, guys. I really like it. Oh, okay.
Look at this, like. This is crazy. Never will I dye my hair again because what? I never had to deal with this ever. Like never. Why does it look green?
That's the undertone of black.
Oh. I love the jet black.
It looks really good.
I know. Something about black hair to just do it for me. Like I look so much more brighter. Like I feel like at the beginning of the video I looked very dull, and right now I just look very, you know, like whatever the word for this action is, that's how I feel like I look. But this is the results of my hair. Looks really good. I like it a lot. Let me give you guys a nice little length check. My hair is getting very long, and this is only I think like 3 years of growth, so I'm excited to see how my hair is going to look when I get to 5 years. But that's besides the point. This is the color, and I like it. Yeah, cute. She mentioned to me that I will have to continue coming every quarter to get it. The fruit flies this summer are going crazy. because apparently when you bleach your hair, you lighten your hair and then you try to go back to black, it's not a smooth transition back to black. You have to continue coming so that the pigment could really set into, like, you know, your hair. So I will go back again in August for a gloss. I don't know what a gloss means, but she said she's gonna add like a gloss on top of it, and then I think I'll go back in October to do like a all over color again, like what I did today. Hopefully by the end of next summer, I'm not going back to the salon to like maintain this color, because one, it's costing me. I think today I paid $174, $87 for the color, $87 for the retwist, and that's high for some, that's not high for some, but that's high for me. I fall into the category where that's high. So I don't want to continue going back to the salon to maintain it, you know what I mean? I'm looking at myself in the camera. I love it so much. I always like when I get my hair like freshly colored, because something about it just makes me look like very, I don't know the word. I just look fresh. Like I look fresh and I look alive, and that's how I always want to look. That's how I always want my hair to look. But this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.